Today topic is enantiomers and diastereomers. It is important topic in stereochemistry. Enantiomers and diastereomers are stereoisomers which have same chemical formula and their connectivity of atoms will be the same, only difference in the spatial arrangement. Enantiomers, enantio means opposite, mer means unit. So these are a pair of optically isomers which having equivalent and opposite value of optical rotation. Optical rotation means alpha. These are the optically active compounds and these isomers are mirror images of each other. These are non-superimposable which will not overlap on each other. So these having the same sequence in terms of connectivity of the atoms and differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms. These having at least minimum one chiral carbon should be present. These are the chiral molecules which having the different configuration. Different means if one carbon has R in one molecule, then in other molecule it will be the S. These are unsymmetrical molecules which having no symmetry elements like point of symmetry, center of symmetry. This is the example of the enantiomer glyceraldehyde in which OH on the right hand side in this and after this mirror here OH on the left hand side. So these are the mirror images of each other, but these are non-superimposable. Another example is 2-chlorobutane. Here chloro on this position and chloro is here. So if we will see the configuration here and this carbon, then this will be the first we will give numbering to the chloride, second for ethyl and 3 for the methyl. So then it will rotate towards clockwise. So it is a R configuration while in another it's a S configuration. And these isomers shows identical chemical and physical properties in achiral environment and except their ability to rotate the polarized light by the equal amount but in opposite direction. We will see in the lactic acid it will rotate to the S and while in R, in other this is R lactic acid. In S lactic acid, H on the right hand side. In R lactic acid, this is H on the left hand side. These are another example of enantiomers, right hand, left hand. These are mirror images of each other while these will not overlap on each other. This is the another example in which chiral carbon having 4 different groups, chloro, bromo, fluoro, hydrogen, and this is the Fischer projection. If we will rotate this and we will give the numbering, then first number we will give to the bromo, chloro, fluoro and hydrogen. When we will rotate this, this will be on the clock anti-clockwise, but hydrogen is projected in wedge position, or we can say projected horizontal. So this configuration will be, rotation will be reversed. So it will be the R configuration. While in case of in this mirror image, this will like exchange of this fluoro and chloro, then this will rotate, it should be R, but hydrogen on the horizontal position, so this will be reverse and this will be the S configuration, and both having no symmetry elements. In case of identical molecules, these are also the mirror images, but these are superimposable, and these having the same configuration. It means in one molecule is R, then in another will be the R configuration, and in terms of symmetry elements, they should have plane of symmetry or the center of symmetry. This symmetry point distinguish the enantiomers and the identical molecules. This is 2-bromopropane is the example of identical molecule. In this, plane of symmetry is present, and these are the mirror images, and these are superimposable. Another topic is diastereomers. Dia means two, mers unit. These are the pairs of stereoisomers, and these are non-mirror images, while enantiomers are the mirror images. They have minimum 2 stereocenters or no stereocenter, non-superimposable on each others. So these diastereomers are the stereomers that are non-mirror images and non-superimposable. These having one or more different configurations on the carbon, but not on the all chiral carbon. These having the same sequence in terms of connectivity of these atoms, and these are differ in the spatial arrangement. These diastereomers have different physical and chemical properties. These are some examples of diastereomers. In case of geometrical isomers, dibromoethylene, this is the cis and this is the trans. So these are the example of diastereomers. In case of 2-bromo-3-hydroxybutane, in this first, second and third, what is the difference between first and second? Only this carbon have the opposite configuration, and in case of second and third, they having this OH on the left hand side, while in case of second, OH on the right hand side. So 1 and 2 are the diastereomers, and 2 and 3 are also diastereomer. If we will see in first and third, here C1, these are both this chiral carbon, and another both having the opposite configuration. So these are the enantiomers. This is the another example in which 2 COOH groups and 2 OH. If we will see in this first and second, this carbon and these carbon have the same configuration, while in C3 carbon, so H and OH, here is the R, while in case of second, this is the S. So as per the definition, like they should have at least one opposite configuration. So these 1 and 2 are the diastereomer. If we will see 2 and 3, 2 and 3, here carbon 2 and 3 are the opposite configuration. It means these are the both chiral carbons at the opposite configuration, means these are the enantiomers. We will see in the 3 and 4, one carbon is, this one is the same configuration, but in another is opposite. So these 3 and 4 are the diastereomer. If we will see in first and 4, these are the identical because both configurations are same. While in case of 1 and 3, this is 2 carbon, it's having the different configuration. So first and 3 are also the diastereomers. Next is what is the difference between the enantiomers and the diastereomers. Enantiomers, when a molecule contain carbon center which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, while in case of diastereomer, when a molecule contain chiral center which are not mirror images, and so these are having the asymmetry. Physical and chemical properties are identical except the rotation about the plane polarized light. These having the different physical and chemical properties of isomers. These having enantiomers having one or more stereocenter, but diastereomers have at least minimum 2 stereocenters. All enantiomers possess optical activity, although they rotate light in opposite direction. Not in case of diastereomers, not all diastereomers possess optical activity. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe the channel of Dr. Mamta Chahar. Thank you.